All right. Y is a party like pouring oil into a car. Do each exercise and find your answer at the bottom of the page. Write the letter of the exercise in the box above or below the answer. Find the measure of the angle that is complementary to the angle having the measure given. So remember, we add angles. Yes, that's right, students. What do? We add angles. Complementary is equal to 90 degrees. So we're going to set this equal to 90 degrees. So x plus, we're adding 20 degrees equals 90 degrees. And we're going to do the inverse operation and subtract. But before we do that, let's draw a vertical line through the equal sign so we can tell what in the world we're doing. Yeah, there's the vertical line. So the inverse of addition is subtraction. So we're going to subtract 20 and we get 0. What we do to one side, we do to the other. 90 minus 20. Good, is 70 degrees. So x equals 70 degrees. So for all of these complementary angles, we're going to set them equal to 90 degrees. And remember, we add what? Yep, we add angles. Okay, so I set up letter H for you. We're going to set it equal to 90 degrees. All of these, 90 degrees. X plus 14. That's a 14. It really is. It's a 14. I'm trying to write tiny. 14. And there's our equal sign. Okay, so yes, you can do H, S, E, and T on your own. They're just one-step equations, and you set them equal to 90 degrees because they're complementary. All right, next, find the measure of the angle that is supplementary. Supplementary means that it's equal to 180 degrees. So we're looking at the measure given. We're looking at the measure given, which is 120. So we're going to set it equal to 180 degrees. Remember, we add our angles. Okay. We're going to do the inverse of addition, or the opposite of addition, which is subtraction. We get 0. What we do to one side, we do to the other. Sure, I can draw that vertical line. And then 180 minus 120, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 gives us 60. X equals 60. Okay, so you might ask, well, okay, Miss Niebuhr, what do we do with our answers here? Letter E, 70 degrees. I will tell you. We come down to the bottom and we look for 70 degrees. Ah, there it is. And we're going to put the letter E there. And let's see, we've completed 2. R, 60 degrees. So we're going down to the bottom. We're looking for 60 degrees. There it is. And what letter was it? R. Okay, shall I keep going? Sure. Okay, supplementary. We're going to set them equal to 180 degrees, each of these measures. And we're adding angles. Always add angles. X plus 56 degrees equals, we're setting it equal to 180. Supplementary angles are equal to 180. Okay, so I set up letter E for you. Notice that there is another letter E. There's another letter E. I wonder if we will end up with the same degree for letter E's. Oh, and there's another letter E. What's going on? And there's another letter E. There's an E there too. What's going on? Well, I have to finish completing these. I'm telling you, I'm excited. I'm excited about these supplementary and complementary angle measurements. I've got to know. Oh, and look, we have angles below that we need to find the measures for. Yippee. All right, so the inverse of addition is subtraction. So we're going to subtract 56. And I'm drawing my line because what we do to one side of the equal sign, we do to the other. 56. Oh, goodness. And I can borrow from the 8 or the 8 tens, and that becomes 7 tens. And 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and that's a 4, and 5, 6, 7, and that's a 2. And I can check my work and use the calculator. This is so exciting. Bring down that 100. Let me check my work. 180 minus 56. Ding, 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 ding. Go, Miss Neighbor, go. Go, Miss Neighbor, go. Okay. Bring down the X. That's it. Wow. These are easy one-step equations. Yes, they are. 124 degrees, letter E. 124 degrees. 124. Where is it? Did I not do it right? Yes. Yes, you did, Miss Nieper, you did. 124, letter E. There's 2 E's. Let's do another E, shall we? E. Shall we? E. Well, okay. We notice that this E equal to 90 degrees because it's complementary. And we always add angles. Okay, I'll leave that for you to do, right? We're going to do the inverse of addition and subtract. Don't forget to draw. To draw. I don't know why I'm whispering. To draw. All right. So let's take a look at E. It is a complementary angle. We can see 90 degrees here, so this is going to be 90 degrees here. We set it equal to 90 degrees. We always add angles. X plus 28 equals 90. Let's draw our vertical line. The inverse or opposite of addition is subtraction, of course. And we're going to borrow that 10, and we're going to move it over here to the ones place. And now we have 10 instead of 0, 8, 9, 10. That's going to give us 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 62 degrees. E, 62 degrees. I am just having too much fun. All right, so we did this one equal to 90 degrees. We wrote our equation. It's complementary. Let's find a supplementary angle that equals 180. We're out of E's. Let's just do W, shall we? All right, we're going to set it. This is supplementary, by the way. We're going to set it equal to 180 degrees. And we add angles. Here we go. There's our equation. Smart ones. Draw our vertical line. Opposite of inverse. Opposite. Subtract. That's going to give us 0. What we do to one side, we do to the other. What do? We took away 116. I'm liking this borrowing. I'm feeling smart. I don't have to get out my calculator. So we have 7 tens, or we're moving that 10 we're moving the 110 that we borrowed over to the ones place. 10 minus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, that gives us 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. That gives us 64. Wow, how could that? We got another 60-ish number. All right, x equals 64 degrees. 64 degrees. There we go. W. Do we have any more 64 degrees? We don't. And I'm gonna go. It's been fun. Whenever we see the box, we know that it's complementary. We know that it's equal to 90 degrees. The angle is, that is. What am I talking about? I'm talking about this. For example, letter T, we set it equal to 90 degrees, and we always add, that's a degree sign, we always add our angles. So there's your equation. You need to solve it. If we don't see the box, we consider it supplementary, and we set it equal to 180 degrees. We always add our angles, x plus 67 degrees. Okay, solve that. Oh, all right. I knew that both of you. 67 degrees. Okay. Yep. Solve the equation. These are just one-step equations. Don't get all uptight. I mean, this is a 6th grade school. 6th grade. I wonder what it's going to be. Something with lots of E's in it. Have a good time. Peace out.